About 240 former cadres of United Liberation Front of Assam, or ALFA, are now undergoing rehabilitation training at Art of Living Centre in Bangalore. We have a special report.
Meditating to rejuvenate the body, mind and soul. Former insurgents from Assam, 241 in all, have a new aim in life: breathe in, breathe out and relax. They recently completed a 30-day training and rehabilitation course, during which they learnt yoga, self-improvement and vocational training from Art of Living gurus in Bangalore.
यहाँ के हमको बहुत अच्छा लगा हुआ है। आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग का तरफ से जो मतलब जोक हो गया है, उसी से हमको बहुत खुशी हुआ और उसी से जितना हमको सिखाया है वो खेती बाड़ी के लिए वो हम सीखा। लेकिन हम जाके हमारा आसाम में गांव-गांव जाके सब लोगों को चाहे जैसे हम जो सीखा हुआ है सब जैविक और खेती बाड़ी के सब हम वहाँ जाके सिखाएंगे। और हम हमारा गुरु जी के साथ बोल दिया, हमारा ग्वालपारा में एक स्कूल खुलना है ये आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग का तरफ ये, तो हमको बहुत अच्छा लगा है। और हम ये नहीं हम आते रहेंगे बीच में, और स्कूल जितना चाहे हम लोग का एरिया में सब लड़का लड़की को ले आके जितना सके हम ये शिक्षा देंगे।
यहाँ आने के बाद जो हमारा प्रशिक्षण मिल रहा है वो हमको प्रशिक्षण लेके बहुत अच्छा लगा। हमारा मन और शरीर बहुत हल्का लगा।
हर दिन सुबह से रातों को प्राणायाम व्यायाम और सेवा कर रहा हूँ। सुदर्शन क्रिया भी कर रहा हूँ। ऐसे मेरा बहुत रिलीफ हुआ है सुदर्शन क्रिया जब से कर रहा हूँ। मेरा पहले का वो शेष का पेन था वो बिल्कुल अभी क्लियर हो गया है सुदर्शन क्रिया करने के बाद।
Of the 241 ex-guerrilla fighters, 231 belong to United Liberation Front of Assam. Most of them acquired warfare skills in the Kachin jungles of Myanmar and in Bhutan. A high-level committee gave the go-ahead to the initiative after Art of Living experts approached the Assam government. The course is meant to ensure that the former militants go back to society as agents of change.
बहुत फायदा हुआ है।
कैसे
और शारीरिक मानसिक कुछ अच्छा काम करके समाज को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए फायदा हुआ।
Now they have no doubt. I mean, they all are saying that if I would have got this training program 30 years back, the situation of my life and my estate would have been different today. So this is the very big change I have found among them. And now they are saying whatever training we have got, we are going to impart this knowledge with our own people.
The course has also proved physically invigorating for the former cadres who are used to dealing with testing conditions.
It's very interesting, some Ulfa members in Assam, they undertook a course and then they spread the message to others. It has done so much good to them physically, mentally, spiritually. It just, healed their wounds and problems. So then they recommended, and then also in the camps, surrendered militant camps, the government also saw that this is very useful for the people there.
It is hoped that the course will smoothen the integration of the former militants into the society and will send a positive message to all those who continue to walk the path of violence.